In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. If your browser has been feeling sluggish or a website suddenly starts acting glitchy, extensions are often the first place to look. Disabling them is quick, reversible, and a great way to troubleshoot without uninstalling anything. Start in the top right corner of Chrome. Click the little puzzle piece icon, which opens the Extensions menu. At the bottom of that small panel, choose Manage Extensions. This takes you to a page that lists everything you've installed in Chrome. Think of it as your control center for add-ons. On this page, each extension has a blue toggle switch. To disable an extension, simply click that blue switch. When it turns gray, the extension is turned off. That's it. You haven't deleted it or lost any settings. You've just paused it. If you look at the Chrome toolbar, you may notice the extensions icon disappear while it's disabled. If you're testing a website, give the page a quick refresh after toggling an extension off to see if the issue clears. If you're trying to fix a specific site error, the best approach is to turn extensions off one by one and test as you go. Toggle the first one off, refresh the problem page, and see if things improve. If not, toggle it back on and move to the next. This method helps you pinpoint the exact extension causing trouble without guessing. Remember, you don't need to uninstall anything during this process. Once you find the culprit or finish testing, just click the gray toggle to turn any extension back on, and it will return to normal. If you don't see the puzzle piece icon or prefer another route, you can always reach the same place from Chrome's main menu. Click the three dots in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. It takes you to the exact same page with the same toggles, so use whichever path feels more natural. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make small changes and test often, and keep track of what you disable so you can easily restore your setup. Disabling is safe, reversible, and won't affect your bookmarks, history, or saved data. It's simply a way to regain control when something isn't behaving as expected. That's all there is to it. Fast, clean, and back in control. You're all set.